is it? Okay, there you go. Let's go, baby. We'll get some clean moves today. Yesterday was Bodie, but it's all right. Good risk management. Screen. This just looks like a nice break and retest to the upside. Looks like a little flag. Probably go to 691. That was untested high. 690. All right, let's see what the RSI is looking like. Not bad, actually. Cool. All right, I like the upside on SPY. We'll just wait to. There we go. Hopefully that's better. All right. SPY is pretty simple today. Our long is at 686.60 to potentially get to that 690. And then our short is 686 to 684. So not bad at all. Let's see, we could go. Yeah, so really, that'd be like my bull bear pivot would be SPY below 686.60 down to 684.37, and then above. Well, really would like this bounce at 686.60 to go up to 690. So that's it for SPY. Qs. All right. Above 6, I would have to say above 619. Right there. Above 619.40. Almost the same levels as yesterday, honestly. But hopefully we don't get this ugly chop. Hopefully we could just get like a clear break above would be nice. And then we can get to that 622. Yeah. And then my pivot on there would probably be 616.60. And that'll be below 616.60 to 613 to be safe. Move it up here. Yeah. That'd be nice. 616 to 613. So there's some good sized moves, right? Like low key, the market has good moves, but yesterday was just ended up being choppy with the divergences and what's going on with them. Today, we don't really have crazy divergence. We don't have crazy divergence on it. So, that's like that's what I need to see. I need to see my A plus setup with the RSI, the chart, my levels, and how strong price is moving in order to take a trade, right? I mean, yesterday I still took a trade, but I just went, I did one contract both times and then stopped out both times. So let's see. NVIDIA. NVIDIA looks good. We can see if we get that. I don't know if I would take that down. 187, 188. Probably have to wait for that. Let's get rid of that. And then we could do. Yeah, let's do that. I like that. You could go 188 to 186 on the video. I would say above 191 to 193.60. Just 193. But here could be. Yeah, I would leave that how it is on the video. So let's just wait for it's all chopping here. So we'll wait for NVIDIA to sweep either 185, 186 and go back up, or sweep 190 or 193, come back down above 191 to 193. I would take for sure to the upside. Yeah. We're there right now, getting rejected at 189.80. I'll still just put it there. I need to have my barriers look. So this is, what's the NTZ, right? So we're gonna either look for this to happen, or we're gonna look for this to happen, or we're gonna look for that to happen. All right, but nothing else in between that I like. Tesla stayed fairly clean. I'd like Tesla above that 453. If we get a strong candle close above 452.5 to 457, that's solid. That's clean. Even a 456 to a $4 move. That's good. All right, so Tesla, good moves. Good move potential, especially below 444. Below 444 to 437. Some good size moves on Tesla. So I'll definitely be watching Tesla today. AMD, I think, was another good one I was charting yesterday. Yeah, AMD is another one. We can see that continuation down, right? We can see it from 223 down to 220, right? For AMD, we could come up, back under, all the way down, or just, down, go, right? Either scenario, or you break up and we go above 223.5 up to 226. So either way, those are pretty good moves, right? So we'll wait to see what happens with that. And again, like when I say we'll wait to see what happens with that, I genuinely mean like we're gonna wait to see what wait till it gets to a level. Like don't even be excited about the stocks. Don't be excited about anything until it even starts approaching a level. That's one thing that's definitely helped me because sometimes, man, the market opens and I'm like, well, it should just go to this level and bounce. No, it goes to this level and falls through. And I'm like, oh, could have all puts. So just keep that in mind, especially trading a small account. You guys gotta I mean, I don't know your account sizes, but I could enter and exit trades and keep going. So if you only have one good trade for the day, that you're waiting for, make sure it's a good one. You got 6 hours. Hood. Ooh. Boom. Boom. Wow. Wow. Curious to see what Hood does for sure. For sure. We go below 121 to what? That 119. It's not bad. Excuse me. We can see what it does. But we do like that. Especially approaching that. Let's see what we got to the upside. Because we might be able to get a big move here. Yeah. Yeah, we might. Get above that 125. We're going to 128, baby. All right. I like Hood. We'll see. I think we got to come down and bounce still. And then go. Because this was just the breakout. So I think we got to boom. Come grab that. Excuse me. Yeah, it's solid. That is solid, y'all. All right, what's the favorite setup for the day? That's the real question. What's the number one? What's number one, huh? What's that? Meta? Dang, Meta bull flag could go crazy. Boom. Let's see where it would go. You guys know how to do this, right? You take the bull flag, you measure the flag, you apply it to the breakout. Top of the breakout lines up perfectly with that resistance at 674. I may try that today. We shall see. That's how you guys do that, though, in case you didn't know. So yeah, I would say above 663 to 674. I mean, that's a big move. Figure a stop here, and then that's it. We'll bring this down. Safer take profit. So 663 to 667, $4 move, and then 667 to 671, another. So that's solid. That is solid. That's definitely something I would probably hold a runner for, especially if the stars are aligning. You know what I'm saying? That is nice, man. Fall in love with candles, y'all. I'm telling you, this girl will make you happy forever. Actually, she makes you want to jump off a cliff the first probably year, but then she'll make you happy. Then you start flying, right? At first, it's just a free fall, and you're just like, come on ground. And then you're like, Oh wait, profits flap like pull the wings out. I don't know. Whatever, I'm stupid. All right, so yeah, we'll wait to see what Meta does outside of these ranges. Um, Apple, crazy. Oh, what's our Amazon? Look at that. Look at that freaking reclaim. Oh yeah, it wasn't Amazon. What was it on? Netflix. Netflix. I got my alert on. Got my alert on. This is actually right there. That's crazy. I went from 92 to 90. See, that's what I'm saying, man. Need a bigger move than that. 94 to 91. That's decent. But that was also a great break and retest. Back to the downside. We'll see what happens now if we break below that 91. I don't even know the next support. I don't even have the next support on here. Yeah, dude. I mean, 90. Really back below 90. 89.38. We're falling. 87. It's a little $2 move. $85. Even just there is great. I'm gonna add to some long-term Netflix today. Yo. Just so you know. Just so you know. I want some of that. We're starting to get bullish divergence on the daily. The 200's up there. Oh yeah, it's beautiful rejection off the 8. 21. Yeah, we're looking good. Looking good. Wow. Look at that. $90 all the way back to 140. 134. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I want that. Take that right there. 87, 85. 85, bro. 85, bro. I want that thing. And this the crazy part is that this is gonna be at 30% for, oh my god, 31% off. Shoosh. 30% gain, baby. Dang, let's see. I might buy some right now. Huh? At 91. So we'll get to 80. Yeah, we'll wait on it. We'll wait on it. It's looking good though, for sure. Weekly's crazy. That weekly's crazy. Oh, 4-hour bullish divergence. Okay. Okay. Meta, I want to see, man. I want Meta to go back down, kind of, but I feel like it's just gonna pop out of here and go up. I wish I mean, I got a decent position size in Meta, anyways, but. Sorry, I'm doing math. Let's go. All right. All right. So that's it. That's it. Sorry. Managing my portfolios over here. Man, that's gonna be so nice when we get that move. Nice. And we got the 200 right here. So be careful of that. That's what I'm saying. That 684 level is key pivot. We get below this. That just see. That's literally my level is at 200 EMA. So we get below that, then we go down. Other than that, bullish for sure. So we'll just see what happens today. We're on top of the 200 right there on the 5. That's cool. That's cool. All right. Quick watch list. Sorry. I'll be rambling. Do you guys ever like take a L, go on social media and like see other people take L's and you're like, nice. Makes it feel better. Is that bad? That's how I am. I'm like, okay. We're good. We're human. All right. So SPY. That below 686, 60 to 684 is sketch because that's all. I mean, I would just take profits if you do it, but I want that 686 bounce to 690 or below 686 to 684, but prefer be careful because the 200 it's at the Force buy level. Be careful. All right, safe short. So be careful shorting into demand at the 686 to 684 if you decide to take it. If we get it, preferably that under that 684 to 682.60 would be the ideal trade because then we would be under the 200 on the 1 hour. So just keep in mind that if you do take it short from under 686.60, to not be greedy and take your profits when you get to start approaching that 684 5 level. Okay, so I'll put 5 actually just because people be trying to squeeze out every last penny. And then further confirmation below 684 would be a good downside play. Yeah, can still take it. And then let's go Qs. Do we want to watch Qs? I don't really care for Qs. Video. Video might be able to take all the way down. That'd be crazy. We get that 190 to 186. We'll see. See if we get that rejection. It's gonna happen early if it does. So keep that in mind if you're watching now. Excuse me. Tesla originally wanted this reject around the 452.5, but kind of already got that. So now we'll just wait for the bounce. For the bounce. Actually, you know what we can do? Yeah, we'll wait for the bounce and then reclaim. AMD. Oh yeah. Put Tesla on there. Below 444. That's protection and angel numbers. So might be a good trade. Down to 438. 438 or above 453 to 456. 453 to 456. Oh wow, dyslexia. Okay. We got bullish divergence, so we'll see where we get that bounce. AMD is kind of the same setup as NVIDIA. I mean, just get this reject if we can. I like it. I'll probably short it. I want to short it down to 213, but we got some levels to break first. So, with that being said, yeah, we'll go AMD. 223.5 reject. 223.5 reject down to 220 or above 235 up to 226. 226, 227, but let's say 226. That should be good for everyone. Low key, I do that too. I forgot what I even said. I'm not used to having comments. All right, so yeah. We rocking with it. Be patient, y'all. Be patient. This is what you want to see. Right? If I say reject at a certain level, you want to see that 5-minute candle close, break above, come back below, or wick down, and then that level becomes your stop loss. All right, and then as soon as it stops out, like if you stop out, you stop out. If it continues, let it run. Keep it simple. Keep it very simple. KISS, right? Keep it stupid simple. That applies with everything, bro. Yeah, there's actually a decent amount to watch. So there's my other screen. So we'll do that. SPY, we always keep top left. And D, we could look for that. Was even Tesla would keep there. Let's get that bounce. Oh, Meta. Meta was low key nice. Damn. Oh, talking. I know what you said that. You'd be talking to yourself. Like I do. Yep. All right. All right. There's a few watches. What's the best ones? Maybe I'll keep AMD on there because they're pretty cheap. AMD, you guys should be able to get decently cheap, and they pay when it moves. Like when we get the move, when the market respects levels, it pays pretty good. So we'll keep that, fam. We'll keep that. Oh, let's go, baby. Come on, another day, another dollar, or another lesson, right? It's either a blessing or a lesson. Yesterday, we got a lesson. We got a lesson that the market was choppy. So now, let's see. I'm running a little over. I'm about to close it up right now. Let's just do our daily news real quick. No major reports scheduled. Come on. All right, let's get some clean price action today. Let's go. I would love to see that. That make me very happy. That means I'm going to make money. All right, let's get it. Let me know if you guys got questions. Reach out. You already know. Reach out on Discord, Instagram, or YouTube. Let's go.